In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a user in Zoho Expense. Now to do this, first you want to go and switch to admin view. So to do this, at the bottom left, you want to click on switch to admin view. And then from here, you want to go to settings, which you can see here on the left in the middle. And from here, under users and roles, you want to click on users. Now to add a new user, click on plus new user top right. And then from here, you have to put in their details, of course, their name, email, role, etc. So I'm just going to go and type in the name, which is going to be like instant. And then here you can put in their email address. I'm going to put myself right now. And you have the role, which of course you can be admin, approver, or submitter. So I'm just going to go approver right now. It's going to give you, of course, a list of the permissions they will have. And then here you have like a bunch of different settings you can also add. And the next one, which is of course crucial, is the policy. So you can just go ahead and select whichever one you want. I'm going to click on my default policy over here. And you can of course send them an invitation email. They will get it by default. Or if you want to skip it, you can click on over here. And that's essentially all you have to do. Now, you can also show more fields over here if you want to add them. Of course, put in as many things as you want and as you can, and then click on the add button, and that's essentially it. Now, as you can see, I have already been added to my organization. That's why I can't do it again, but that's essentially how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.